Hey everybody, I'm Nick with Drain My Lawn, and today it's raining in Charlotte, North Carolina. You see back here, that's our remnant pile of our French strandman pipe that we use for different projects and making smaller systems. But I'm going to show you here, even the shoe cobbler's kids sometimes don't have the best shoes. Look, this downspout got knocked off, so this is something to look out for. This is on our back of our shop. So right next to some beautiful double wall pipe. This is something you need to take a look at when it rains. Obviously, I could tell you that's a problem. That got knocked off, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that with an elbow. But this is a big problem for a foundation. So you never want to see this if you don't have an elbow on your downspouts. Big problem, needs to be fixed. But go ahead and get an umbrella and walk around when your property when it's raining, and observe where everything is pooling. You can see around here we have this is our drive right here. You see some puddling. We actually have drainage underneath here, so it doesn't really get much worse than this. I mean, it'll pull up when it's really heavy. And just walking around, checking what we got. There's culvert for our drive. It's not active right now. It's not raining that hard. If we get a big storm, it'll come through. But yeah, get out in the rain, check your drainage, and fix it. Or call Drain My Lawn at 704-489-3444. DrainMyLawn.com. We'll get you taken care of. We'll come out. We'll do a full assessment of your situation, and we'll come up with a solution to the problem. 704-489-3444. Have a great day.